So let us now look at the equipment that is required for this test. Of course, I told you, whatever soil sample we are using, we have to pass it through number 4 sieve, which is 4.75 mm opening. Okay. So this soil sample has been passed through this number 4 sieve. This is actually more than 2.27 kilo, which I took just as a precaution that it should not be less. Okay, and this is the hammer. Okay, this is the hammer which will fall through 45 centimeter to give blows. So we have to give 25 blows for each layer of the soil. Okay, and this is the mold in which this will be fixed on top. Okay, then we put soil in 5 layers and give blows with this hammer by putting this hammer on top of the soil. Okay. Then when it is up to the full level, we remove this. Okay, of course it will be more than this level, so we will use this knife edge to trim it exactly. Why do we need to do that? Because we want to fill the volume of this mold in order to find the unit weight of soil. Okay, then we have moisture cans. After finishing each sample, we will take little soil from here, put it in this moisture can. Of course, we would have taken the empty weight first, then we'll put the wet soil in it and we'll put it in the oven. Okay, you know where the oven is in our lab. Then after 24 hours drying, we will know what is the moisture content. So then as I explained you earlier, with the moisture content and wet unit weight, you will find the dry unit weight of that soil sample for that trial. You will do this for 5 samples and then you will plot the graph to obtain optimum moisture content and maximum dry unit weight. Okay, so this is about the equipment. Now we will mix water in this soil. So as the expected result is around 10 to 15%, we can start at 10% water in this soil. Okay, so I will put water in the soil and mix it thoroughly. Okay, maybe we need more water because we have taken a lot of soil, so we will need more water. Okay, and this mixed wet soil will be put in that mold in 5 layers. So this is the procedure of the test. Okay, so now you see I added some more water to make it like 10% of the soil. That is moisture content, maybe it is 10%. Okay, so now after thoroughly mixing, we have to put this in that mold in 5 layers by giving 25 blows each layer. Okay, but before putting the soil in the mold, we have to take the weight of the empty mold because we need that. Okay, so let us now go and take the weight of the empty mold. Okay, so this is the weight of the empty mold. It is around 6.845 kilogram. Okay, we will record this. Now we go back here. Okay, and we put it here. Now we have to put soil in 5 layers and give 25 blows to each layer. That is the procedure. Okay, but before putting the soil, we have to put the collar also. Okay, so that we fill it more than the top of the mold. Okay, okay, you can pause. For the first layer, in order to give 25 blows, approximately 1/5 of the mold. Okay, so maybe little more. Okay, so now I will give 25 blows by counting, and also I need to move the hammer, not give all the 25 blows at one point. Okay, 1 blow, 3, 4, 5, 23, 24, 25. So this completes one layer. Okay. So this is one layer. After compaction, we have to fill 4 more layers in order to fill it to the top. So we will show you after we fill to the top. Okay, so now after filling it in 5 layers, after giving 25 close to each layer, we have to remove this collar, okay, in order to trim it. Okay, so we have to trim it. Why? Because we only need it until the top of the mold, not the whole collar. Okay, good. Okay, so now this is the compacted soil in the mold. Now we have to take the weight again. Why? Because we need to get the unit weight based on the weight of the wet soil and the volume of the mold. So, but we have to clean the mold outside to avoid any errors. Okay. Okay, now let us go to the weighing machine again. So this is 13.45 kilogram. Okay, and you remember the weight of the empty mold was 6.8. So we actually used around 6 kilogram of the sample. Okay. Okay, but now we also need to know what is the amount of water in this soil sample. So for that, we have to take a moisture can and take its empty weight. And now put some soil in it from the sample. Some soil, don't need a lot. Okay. Now we'll take the weight again. Okay, so this is the wet soil weight plus moisture can. Now we'll put the can in the oven. Okay, say at 120 degrees for 24 hours. Okay. Then when it dries out, then we will take the dry weight of the soil and we can find the moisture content. Okay, so now it will go up to 120 degrees and it will be there for 24 hours. Now from this one trial, what we can find out is the unit weight of this wet soil based on the volume of the mold and the weight of the soil. This is one data. The other data is the moisture content from drying the wet sample. Now you have to repeat this procedure for 4 to 5 times, putting different amounts of water in the soil sample so that you have a plot which I had showed you in the beginning. So that plot, it will be like an inverted U. So once you have that, the peak of that plot will give you the maximum dry unit weight and optimum moisture content of the soil. So this is the experiment for today. I will upload the sample data for you to analyze and obtain the maximum dry unit weight and moisture content, and you have to submit it through the LMS in PDF format. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you.